What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to EvCooksFood. In episode 3 of our series, 5 ingredients or less, we're going to be exploring homemade pasta, which is actually just these 3 ingredients. We have oil, flour, and eggs, but we're going to be throwing on some garlic butter using our butter from episode 2. I'll leave a link up here if you guys want to check that out. 3 ingredients, plus the 2 for garlic butter. Super easy to make. Let's get cooking.
You know I love this recipe? Everyone has these 3 things at home, so it's super easy. We're going to start off by cracking 3 eggs into our stand mixer bowl and giving them a nice whisk. To that bowl, add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Yeah, I'm doing wet ingredients first because I'm badass like that. And 2 cups of flour. You can use whole wheat, 00, or whatever type of flour you prefer. I'm using AP flour here. Then grab one of your hands and start mixing all the ingredients together until all combine. We're going to be using the mixer here, so no need to knead, just combined. Oh, also add in a teaspoon of salt. I totally forgot that one. Attach your dough hook and set your mixer on low for 10 minutes. So after your 10 minutes are up, you're going to want to take your dough out, wrap it in plastic wrap, and just leave it on your counter for half an hour. So I made this video without my pasta roller because it's a pretty niche kitchen item and I want anyone to be able to make pasta. This part is a bit of a workout, but hey, you're going to be eating pasta, gotta burn those calories somehow. So we're going to start by flouring our work surface, and you're going to start rolling out your dough working from the middle outwards. We ideally want the dough to at most be a 1/4 inch thick. Any more than that and you'll have massive noodles, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, it just makes the cook time a little bit longer, and let me tell ya, you're not going to want to wait once you smell the garlic butter. When your dough is all rolled out, start cutting strips and separate them a little to prevent them from sticking. You can also throw a bit of flour in there to help too. At this point, you can make the pasta into whatever size you prefer. Just try to cut them all the same length so that they cook at the same rate. So a little trick I learned from Kenji Lopez is to use a pan of water instead of a large pot of boiling water. You really only need enough water to cover your pasta. While it's coming to a boil, we're going to heat up about 3 tablespoons of butter and add in 3 cloves of minced garlic. Cook the garlic until just turning brown and then kill the heat until our pasta is ready to jump in there. When your water starts to boil, add in your pasta and cook until it's your preferred texture. Since this is fresh pasta, it's going to cook a lot faster than dried pasta, so keep a close eye on it. When your pasta is done, transfer it directly into your garlic butter, turn the heat on low, and toss until thoroughly combined.
Pasta with garlic butter. Oh, that's so good. Perfectly al dente, just the right amount of chew that you really want in a noodle. Overall, this is it's so easy to make, and it's so tasty. Why not give it a try? Thanks so much for watching as always. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button or else hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time.